Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 1. What is the ratio between N2 and H2 in ammonia preparation? Answer is 103. Number 2. If sign is positive and cause is negative, in which quadrant is the angle? Answer is second quadrant. Number 3. Cement contains gypsum. Answer is 2%. Number 4. Why is gypsum added to cement? Answer is to control the setting time. Number 5. Muscle movement is primarily controlled by which type of nerve? Answer is motor nerve. Number 6. The right cerebrum is mainly responsible for which of the following functions? Answer is creativity and artistic ability. Number 8. Ammonia reacts with carbon dioxide to form which compound? Answer is urea. Number 9. Chemical formula for ammonium nitrate. Answer is NH4NO3. Number 9. Which is the largest part of the human brain? Answer is cerebrum. Number 10. Charge on an electron is? Answer is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 C.